So what is the effect you write? Effect is which can alter thoughts, which can alter thoughts. That is the brain activity. The clinical use is not known. We are writing dash the clinical use, because clinical use, what is for hallucinogen, we are not supposed to say to the students. That's why we are putting dash. Okay, it is not recommended to say. It is somewhat maybe secrecy. Okay. Alter the thoughts. You have seen a movie called Sanju? Okay, seen na? Yeah. In that, you know how Ranbir Kapoor will. He will act that here fire has occurred, but actually reality what? There is no fire, but he will behave as what happened? Come on, Ayyo. Fire happened. See, that is what we called alter the thoughts. That is the effect of hallucinogens. Okay, fine. So Datura, Atropa, cannabinoids. Under the cannabinoids you can write ganja, bhang, then marijuana, ganja, bhang, marijuana. Ashish, these are all cannabinoids. Under the cannabinoids you have to write. Right, okay. So hope so that you all have read some of the news like related to the ganja. It's the big kind of a thing in the film industry world of most of the stars of it. So that thing that you know the kind of, since from 2 years this is happening. Okay, okay, fine. Shalares, this is the table you have to refer. From this table 100% there will be question for the NEET. If you refer this table, one question, Pakka 100%, 4 marks. Clear? Now one by one we have to study in detail now. Okay, that's about the table format. Okay, once again please go through the table format of it. So now you put the title. So what is the title that we'll be writing next? Is put the title morphine. Put the title morphine. Okay. This is obtained from poppy plant. What plant? Poppy plant. The scientific name of the poppy plant is Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum. Okay, this come under morphine come under what derivatives? What derivatives? Opium. Correct? Opium drugs. Now that Papaver somniferum plant is there, na? From latex of the plant we will extract. Do you know what is latex means? From that plant, you know, some solution will come out. Sap or solution or watery, like that it comes out. That is called as latex. Okay, so from there, you know, like us from different plants, you know, we prepare plastics or items and all like that. So latex of the plant, or you can, shall we write like this, some Shall I write secretion or what shall I write? Sap shall I write? You'll understand? Or watery, you write, very easy. Watery, huh? Like, okay. So the thing will come out, from that only we'll prepare, okay. Now this act as what? Painkiller. This will be given for the patients of the patient who underwent the surgery and cancer. So for them PT means patients, okay. This is our kind of a language. Patients of surgery and cancer. So for them now this will be given, painkiller, that morphine will be given. Okay, not for normally when you go, I have pain here, I have headache, we cannot go for okay. Today, hey Sanya, today my sir has taught about the morphine. So don't go and ask what in the medical store, what? I have some pain here, give me morphine. Okay, then they will call to the police, okay. Then I have to come to release you, right? Okay, so after surgery and to the cancer patients only this will be given. Got it? And the students, you have to remember that. So the patients who will take these cancer patients who will take this morphine, more and more, taking, they become what? Addicted. Clear? Fine. So keep that in memory. Okay. So addiction is also. Now this morphine act on the receptors of central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. So that is the where it will act means it will act on the receptors of what? Central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract.